So again, go in at the neck, let it coil over. It's now feeling extremely light and airy, which is correct. And it has very large little bubbles. I don't know if you can see that on the surface. Beautiful. So it's just going to go onto the surface. What I'm going to do is take my bench knife, and I'm just going to shape it a little bit. And shaping it means going in at 4 o'clock, moving the dough up and bringing it down at 12. And when you come down, just put your hand on the edge of the dough to steady it. You need to do this on a bench which is not slippery, hence not putting any flour on the bench, so there's a bit of grip. And if I start off over here and just work my way across the surface of the bench until it's nicely shaped like that. Any little bubbles, I'm just going to get rid of those in the surface. I don't want those in the surface. So being very gentle all the time, and then I'm going to cover it and leave it for another 20 minutes to 30 minutes.